Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. So today I'm going to make curry bread. Cheese in curry bread. I uploaded melon bread video and it was so popular compared to my other videos. So I'm assuming a lot of people like Japanese bread. So I decided to make curry bread today. Right, I hope you will enjoy this video. Now let's get started. So first, I'm going to mix all of the ingredients for bread except for olive oil. First, bread flour. Then plain flour. Then sugar. Dried yeast. And salt. Then egg. Then water. Then mix them in a bowl. Done. Next, I'm going to knead it. I'm gonna be kneading it for about 10 minutes. So sticky. So it's been about 5 minutes and as you can see, it's getting like non-sticky. So now it stretches well. So I'm going to add olive oil here. Slimy. So it's sticky again, like you can see, but keep kneading it for another 5 to 10 to 15 minutes. Take all of my stresses away. You know, I don't have any stress. Kawaii. Okay. So let's check the dough. It stretches really well. You can see my fingers through the dough like this. So it's really good. Jump. So put the dough into the bowl, cover it with wrap, then put this in one place for the primary fermentation. Then it became double in size. Let's do finger test. Get some flour on your finger, then stop. All stays here like this, so it's well done. Then press it and take the air out. Then I'm going to cut this in half. Then shape it into a ball. Like this. Then cover them with a wrap. Then leave them here for about 10 minutes for bench time. While I'm waiting for 10 minutes, curry! This is the leftover curry from the last time and I froze them, so I'm going to defrost it. Warm this up. Once you freeze the curry, it's gonna get a little bit watery, so cook it on the pan and then make it less watery. Now, stop the heat. When it's cooled down, it's gonna be solid again. Now bench time is over, so I'm going to shape them. Press it and then make it flat. like this. Then put curry on it. Then cheese. Wow. Then wrap it. Then seal the edge really well. Jump. Then dump it into egg. Then coat this with panko. Jump. Make it flat. Place curry and cheese. Then wrap it. Again, seal the edge really well. Dump it into egg. Then coat this with panko. Jam. Cute, isn't it? Woo. Then leave them in the warm place for the secondary fermentation. So now I'm going to fry them, so heat the oil up to about 150 degrees. Time to fry! Oh. So point here is fry them on low heat and slowly. Fry them on both sides. Woo. Woo. Ta-da! Woo! Okay, so let's see inside. 3, 2, 1. Open! Ooh, crunchy outside. Open! Ooh! So fluffy, can you see them crunchy outside? This is so beautiful. いただきます。やばい。Looks so good. いただきます。Cheese! Outside is really crunchy and inside is really fluffy. Wow. Explosion of cheese. So good. Super fluffy, as you can see. Thank you for watching. How was my video? This bread was so amazing. The kneading process would be very tiring, but it's worth it. Please try this recipe. ね、絶対。Alright, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. No. Alright, thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.